This way they can actually sort of be a bit more hands-on. It's like sort of climbing over a play gym, I suppose. They're sort of, able to sort of hold things, break things, pull things back, and really do some investigation. I'm Jason Atkinson. I've been working here at Tonsley since we opened, and I teach Certificate 4 in Residential Drafting and the Diploma of Building Design. Collaboration with industry is really important because we know that we're getting students job ready. And if we can be teaching current software and be able to deliver it when we want, then obviously students can, move forward to that. So the collaboration between, V2E, Yogo, Intrax and tools, being able to feed us the information that they want, then they know, this is what we want our future industry to look like. We can deliver that. At the moment, we've been using some software from Autodesk, and then we've also started to introduce this software from V2E just to help our students understand building and building terminology and how buildings go together, really. The Tools app that we started to play with, I suppose, in the last 12 months is relatively new for industry. Tools app is something that really makes all the National Construction Code details come together in a 3D image and puts all the critical information on there, so it's much easier for students to navigate their way around that Tools app. And we can embed part of those tools links into these models as well. So if we're looking at a particular detail, whether it be how some waterproofing's done in a bathroom, we can zoom into the model, show how that waterproofing's done, and we might have a link there that goes straight to the Tools app, which then has all the critical dimensions and set out details.
So my name's Lachlan, just completed studying the Cert 4 in residential drafting here at TAFE Tonsley. Campus here I absolutely love. Not just this course, but for any trade. It's the best place set up for it that I've ever come across. I would definitely say that getting a handle and hands-on experience with the software, which is most common in the industry here during this course, has been advantageous for when I take the next step out into the industry.
So industry currency is probably one of the big things that we're trying to deliver here, and staying in contact with industry, getting our students ready for those jobs, using current software is what it's all about.